All right, guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking about at-home color kits. It's something everyone in the industry has been talking about. And let me just tell you guys right now, if you're a salon owner or you're a stylist and you think like this is something that's new, there are distributors and there are people out there who sell hair color online, on Amazon, on eBay, on whatever frigging channel that they sell on. So if your clients really want to get hair color, they're going to get it anyway. So why not have them get it from you? Mix the proper formula for them. There's no way they're going to be able to duplicate what you do in the salon. They're not going to be able to add highlights. They're not going to be able to tone. They're not going to be able to balance out any kind of brassiness. They're not going to be able to see that their gray percentage is getting heavier throughout the years and tweak their formula to get better coverage. It's impossible. They're not going to do that. So don't feel threatened that they're going to be able to duplicate what you do in a salon at home. You know, there's stylists out there that just cut, right? And there's colors out there who just color. Some people do both, but you don't see any stylists out there scared that a client's gonna buy scissors now and start cutting their own hair to duplicate what they do. They're gonna watch 5 hair videos on YouTube and now they don't need a stylist anymore to cut their hair. That's ridiculous, okay? Just like a client out there can't buy hair color or can't get hair color and duplicate what you do. There's a lot that goes into formulating color. If you're a colorist, you know that. If you're a person at home who's done your color with box dye before and you had hot roots or orange hair, you know that too. So with that being said, we're here for our customers, our guests, our clients, whatever you want to call them. So I'm here to make them feel good, whether it's in the salon or at home. So right now, salons are shut down. If you're in a state that's opened up, good for you. But in New Jersey, New York, and many other states, salons are still shut down. You're doing your customer a disservice by not mixing them color or at least leading them in the right direction. So there's brands like Color Tango, they sell it at Sally's. I have an online retail business, so I'm also going to list that color on there for our customers. So any customer that has been to Brick and Mirror in the last 6 months, I'm going to offer you at cost that color, no surcharge, no upcharge, no nothing. I'm going to do my best to use that color because it is a public color. It's sold in regular stores. I'm going to do my best to mix that formula for you so you can get rid of your grays. You're sitting at home and you're ready depressed. You might have lost your job. Why not let them feel good when they look in the mirror? That's what we're here for. We're here to make our customers feel good and look good. By you buying into this bullshit about what the industry wants and devaluing our industry, it's just bullshit. It's hair color. They can buy it at ShopRite, they can buy it at Food Town, Wegmans, Aldi, whatever store you have by you, Publix. They can buy hair color there. They can buy it on Amazon. So why not get it from you so you know it's being done right and you have less to fix when all this opens back up again, okay? So any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. If you disagree with me, I'm sorry, that's just my opinion. You had your opinion, I got my opinion. But at the end of the day, we are a service industry and we're here to serve our guests. So until next time, guys, I'll see you later. All right, guys, so make sure you click subscribe, click like, click share, do what you got to do. Leave a comment. If you liked the video, leave a comment if you didn't like the video, but just don't be mean. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. All right, bye.